Just showing you another video on the importance of maintenance, which is what I talk about on my channel, GMEC. That the importance of fuel filter changes in maintenance. Do not wait forever or, I'll go a little while longer to change your fuel filter. Because if you look, this is the primary filter, the factory filter on my 1994 Chevy K2500 6.5 diesel. If you look at that filter, you can see the dirt in that filter and what it captured. It did its job. Now, I really don't know the service interval on this filter. I do it once a year. It's anywhere from 8 to 10,000 miles. But the importance, what I'm trying to say is here, the importance of a filter change. Like, don't let it go a long time because it can cause trouble. And what I'm recommending is you change, especially in a diesel, change your fuel filter before winter. You'll have less chances of having gelling or whatever to cause that it's not going to start in the cold. I also want to show you, this is a secondary filter. This is a water fuel separator, and if you look, this filter as well, now I have no comparison with this one. You know, unlike the primary filter, I always have filters in stock. But you can see, look at the difference between the filter, that how clean that looks compared to this. Now this is the dirty side. We can't really see inside of it, but you know, even the new one we really can't get it focused. No, there's really, but anyway, I'm just trying to show the importance of changing your fuel filter. I'm big on maintenance because I know I'm not going to break down along the road. But anyway, back to this filter here. You can see, look at the dirt in there. This came with my fuel pump or my injection pump, and this was an add-on for a fuel water separator. Now, really, I guess when you look at it that way, they're about the same in the amount of pleating without tearing it all apart. That's a bad comparison. But here, also want to show you inside the casing. You can actually see some moisture in there. These are actually sitting upside down for about last 2 weeks because I changed the oil about 2 weeks ago and the fuel filters. But you can actually see some moisture sitting in there. But what I'm trying to show is here, do not neglect your fuel filters. Do not neglect any of your filters on your vehicle, including air filters. Because here's an important thing, is after changing this, I took this truck on a long trip, and I got about an extra mile to the gallon. I got 20 miles to the gallon on a trip. I had a long trip with it, and then a couple rounds back and forth to work. But you know, for a 94 to get 20 miles to the gallon with very aggressive tires, winter fuel, and the temperature probably averaged around 35, 40 degrees. I know we had some downs and ups in our area at that time, but I think that's an impressive thing. But this is also another, you know, even if you don't count fuel economy, because you know, if I'm going to go somewhere, I'm going to pay for the fuel, obviously. But the big thing is I want to get there and I want to get home. So, but here's the very importance of changing your fuel filters in your vehicle, and that goes for gas engines. If your vehicle has a fuel filter on it, change it. You know, I know some vehicles like my 2010 Colorado that has a self-cleaning system on it. I don't know too much about it, but maybe they figure when you're changing a fuel pump at 70, 80,000 miles or even 100,000, that'll take care of the problem. But somehow it works, or it pushes back and then siphons, which maybe that's a good system. But anyway, if your vehicle has a fuel filter on it, look for it, and it'll pay in the long run to keep you motoring down the road. So anyway, this is GMEC. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you know, hit that like button. I have a lot of viewers on my channel right now, and they're not hitting that like button, and it's not being captured by the YouTube algorithm. So again, I'm going to smash that like bell. I would appreciate it very much. I'm out here. I want to give you good information, and hopefully you'll give me a little bit of your time. So thanks again. We'll see you in the next video.